Our home is a space where we can release all our stress and make meaningful connections.
We need to create our home in such a way that it relieves our stress, not the other way around.
In this video, I'll talk about what are the 3 changes you can make in your home to create a happy and peaceful space. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. The first change towards a happy home is create a cozy and clean space for you. You may find it difficult to declutter your entire home, but you definitely can clear out a small corner and maintain it tidy and clean. Create an area where you can sit back, read, and relax. Welcome each morning with a peaceful mind. The second change is know the items you own. There are many items which we have bought once and forgot all about that. Neither we used nor we have discarded. We have created a museum. Finding those items become difficult and time consuming. Donate, discard as much as possible. Keep a track of rest of the items you own and know where they are kept so that you don't need to get mad over searching. The third is do not organize things which you can discard. We organize things and again clutter gets piled up. Discard items instantly which are not needed. Do not organize and store unnecessary items. Your tidy space will create a peaceful home. I create content every week. To stay updated and motivate me in this journey, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.